Hey guys, Fiery Moon AJ here. So today's my first video on YouTube and pretty much my first time on Animal Jam. I just recently created my account. I haven't done much but decorated myself and decorated my den. So I've just done the basics, I guess. My username is Fiery Moon AJ. So yeah, this is pretty much just a video of me exploring Animal Jam and just yeah. Forever alone. Okay, so I just got this wonderful butterfly hairball trade. Okay. So I heard that only members can change colors, but they're being nice. And this diamond shop looks really mysterious. Let me guess, no non-member clothes, probably. There was 3 non-member things in there, like this turquoise ring, this glove, and what was it? Oh yes, and a rack. Okay, well, Animal Jam is really fun, so I'll be playing it and making lots of videos. So, I guess goodbye.